Alright, hey YouTube. So today I'm working on a 266 right here. Kind of doing some farmer repairs for my buddy, and he was using it the other day and sort of bogging out on him, and the throttle lever also came undone, so we had just fixed that, and I'll show you what I found on this. The throttle lever, the rod came loose and out, this black piece right here. So we took the handle off, removed the two mounts, and slid the pin back in, set it back into place. And I loosened up the carburetor, and I don't have a ball head Allen, so what I did was I actually removed the stop switch, kill switch, to get at that bolt, just to loosen it up so I could take this cover off so I could see the screen. And what I got here is obviously a restriction, a big bad restriction here, and it's what appears to be is the filter material. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I think it's been pumping through and is clogged up this carburetor. So I don't know what else would be black, and this is kind of foamy anyways. So that's what we got here. It's like dry. Anyways, that's what we got. So I just blew out this carburetor quick, and like I said, this is just a farmer repair for now. I'm just going to throw it back together and see how good it runs. I'm not even going to rebuild the carburetor. He said it was running pretty good for a while, and so I think it's just starved for fuel. So I want to show you how to tell if someone had used a grinder to sharpen chains and has actually done it wrong. Now, I just tested this saw, and you know, it ran great, but it cuts like crap. You see that tooth here? See that one? See how it's blued? You can see a line right there, and it's blue. It's not even sharp. It's got a burr, and when there's too much oil on this and dirt, and when the grinder went down, it just burnt the tooth instead of sharpening it, so it actually made a curl and curled up the metal, and your chain ain't gonna cut like, it's just gonna cut bad. So it looks like a nice job, but unfortunately it's not. So just wanted to add that in there. Alrighty, so I just got it back together. Didn't even change gaskets or nothing, just cleaned it out. Made sure that screen was all set. I did start it early just to make sure it did run, and as you can see, that's a good chain brake handle there. But that's it. Probably just needs a filter. At least you can run the saw, you know, just a quick fix. So if you're out in the woods and it's giving you some trouble, all you need is what, 4mm Allen, screwdriver, 13mm, maybe a set of needle nose, some starting fluid to clean shit off, and you're all set. Alright, thanks for watching.